Hello! So I'm currently editing a new video for this channel and it's gonna be a series of videos that I made for TikTok because one of my videos went viral. Anyways, I just wanted to insert myself at the beginning to explain what this is gonna be about. And I'm probably gonna insert myself throughout this video. Honestly, when I made those videos on TikTok, I didn't really plan on posting them on YouTube. But then I had the pleasure of being on Hair Buddha. And not only that, he was so kind to me. He's such a cool guy. And basically at the beginning of his reaction video, he was kind of asking, oh, what happened at the hairdressers? And I really wanted to explain it. And then I thought, I don't even have a video about it on my YouTube channel. So that's why I decided to kind of put all those videos together and post it and then insert some pictures just for the information. I also just wanted to say that I didn't even plan on creating these videos because I don't want to hate on the hairdresser. I just think that she made a mistake, and I think she is a good hairdresser overall. She's been a hairdresser for a while and my mum goes to her. She only goes to her, or she used to go to her, not anymore, and she did feel very, very guilty because she kind of recommended her, but she would only go for a cut, not color. I didn't want to create them to like backlash at the hairdresser or like create hate, like I'm never gonna mention her name or the hair salon. It just happened and it's what it is. And when I created the video where I bleached my hair, it was more about how I was gonna bleach my hair and the history of my hair rather than, you know, complaining about the hairdresser and having a tantrum or whatever. I only created the TikTok videos just to kind of explain for anybody who was interested. But what I would love to ask you, especially if you are a professional hairdresser, tell me in the comments, what do you think went wrong? I know you weren't there, you don't know my hair, you don't know what bleach she used, what developer and all sorts. But from what I kind of explained, I hope it sort of makes sense. Do you think it was the coconut oil? Do you think it was something else? I would really, really love to know. So I uploaded 3 videos on me bleaching my hair after hairdresser fried it. And I would like to kind of explain exactly what happened with the hairdresser. And on the last video, which went viral, I received a lot of backlash and kind of hate. And people were basically blaming me for frying my own hair and that it was all my fault. So basically I started with long virgin hair. I have fine hair, they are not too dark, they are quite easy to bleach actually. And I grew them for 4 years and they had no products in. Although I have to say, 2 days prior to going to the salon, I did put just standard coconut oil in my hair just to do a mask. I thought it would give my scalp and my hair a little bit of protection. I washed it out with a shampoo and then I conditioned my hair. And I just wanted to mention that I washed it out with a shampoo like 3 times because I didn't want to have greasy hair. The hairdresser I went to was really nice, really sweet. She actually came to do my hair on her day off, which I appreciated. I asked her for a blonde balayage, showed her some pictures. Honestly, she didn't ask me anything about my hair. I had to tell her about my hair, like what they are like. I didn't tell her about the coconut oil because that washed out and honestly I forgot about it anyway. And I actually asked her to do a strand test, which she didn't do, and I trusted her because she was a hairdresser and she had 20 years of experience at least. She was very nice. So she started at the back and she applied all the foils at the back. And then she moved onto this side. And I think it was about 25 minutes in. That's just my guess. I didn't check the time. Take it with a grain of salt. I think when she started working on this side, some of the foils must have moved and I suddenly started to feel burning. Like my scalp was on fire. It was burning so badly. And so she rushed me into the rinsing station and she rinsed it all out, put some conditioner on and left it like that. So I did remember and told her about the coconut oil once she was rinsing my hair and she was so sure that this was a chemical reaction on some sort of product I had in my hair. So then I told her, okay, I did the coconut oil mask, but I washed it out really, really well. But she basically just said that it must be the coconut oil. And this is the shampoo I was using at that time. I mean, this is a conditioner, but I usually buy shampoo and conditioner. Yeah, that's the one I was using at that time, and also the same one when I was bleaching my own hair. So I don't think it was the shampoo. So I basically used shampoo and conditioner and that was it, nothing else. Didn't put anything else in my hair. Then she wrapped my hair in a bun and just let it sit. and then carried on with the rest of my head. I have to say she never checked any of the back foils because I kept watching her. I love her stuff. I was just interested in what she was doing. I don't really know what developer she used with the bleach, but I told her about how I was gonna bleach it by myself. Like initially, that was my idea. That I was going to use 20 volume developer with the bleach, probably blonde me. And on that, she replied that 20 volume was never gonna work and it's not strong enough. I'm guessing she used 30 or 40. So after the foils were done, she rinsed me and she applied a toner. And she kind of freaked out when she was putting the toner in, and she mentioned that the hair at the back was taking the toner in a different way, and basically I ended up with really, really gray hair at the back, and the rest was like a really nice blonde. But I saw the whole picture once she styled it. When she dried my hair, she asked me if I wanted it curled or just blow dried, and I didn't know that the hair was fried, so I said curled. So she used a curling iron and she curled my hair. And then obviously I saw the difference in color. I didn't really realize that the hair was fried because obviously there was lots of product in it. I only noticed the difference in color, and she said that it's just gonna wash out into a really nice blonde. So I left it at that. I paid her. I even paid her more than I was supposed to because I was very grateful that she came on her day off. And I left, but when I got home and looked at my hair, they were just really horrible. Like it was gray and then yellowish blonde. So I washed it, and once I washed it, I realized that they were gummy, they were falling off, and I was freaking out. Honestly, I was very, very upset about this, and I didn't want to have anything to do with this hairdresser. And there were so many other things going on at that time. I just want to forget about it. And then a couple of days later, I had an appointment with the second hairdresser who looked at my hair, couldn't believe it. So I decided to just chop it off because there was no point. I wouldn't be able to recover all that length. And that's pretty much what happened. And the rest you saw in the video. I bleached my hair, leaving the fried hair at the back out of it. I got an undercut to get rid of as much of the fried hair as possible. Then I bleached the roots at the back. And every time after that, when I bleached my hair, I would only take out strands that were like orangey. I wouldn't re-bleach like the very light parts of my hair. And so that's how I got to the platinum color. So that's it. And so the only thing, when she was taking out the foils, she did say that it was a chemical reaction to something I had in my hair, and she was asking me if I had anything in my hair. And she basically said, oh, must be it. Must be the coconut oil. I mean, again, anything is possible. But I don't think it is. I think she just left it on for too long, didn't check it. It was too strong for my hair. That's it. Too much heat coming from my head, whatever. But you know, she's the professional, she should be checking the foils, especially if she never done my hair before. And also, I just can't understand why the whole rest of my hair was absolutely fine, no damage. Even the hair on the sides at the bottom were healthy. It was just the section that was in the falls at the beginning. And she used the same mixture of the bleach for the rest of my hair, and none of them fried. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then consider subscribing and liking this video. And I will see you in my next one. Bye!